What's up, chat? Let me just put on some music. Lo-fi, guys, lo-fi, brother. सब कुछ setup कर and let me announce it over as well. You know, if this whole YouTube thing goes well, eventually there will be a Discord server. That way I can just have a bot announce stuff. We should also start streaming on Twitch and this and that. But for that, we specifically will build podcast. Actually, can we start working on podcast? Also, I'm gonna like just speak in English by default more because we don't just want to be constricted because of our language. So a little bit English more focused. Even if Shashwat comes, I think it's beneficial that I don't succumb to speaking a language that I think in. Anyway. Oh no. I tagged someone. That's not dear Lord. One second. Anyway, we should set up chat. Oh my god, Shashi, what's up? Mustache वाले show पे गिरने की brother. It's okay. You're the only person who's told me कि I look better with a mustache than clean shave. Everyone else has told me I look better uh, clean shave. Sorry. Yeah, everyone's told me I look better clean shave. So, yeah. Pop up chat. Buzzing, but not too small. You look younger than. Hey, that's not a problem for me. You should grow mustache. Like, yeah, it's eventually we're all going to look old anyways. I think it's okay to look young while we can. You know what I mean? Dude, by the way, we have so much to yap. Just like thoughts here and there, random stuff. So I'm not sure if I should listen to music, honestly, because I don't think I should. But I'll show you what I did on Relay today. I think I should pull in my changes. Yeah. So let me just share my screen. Also, I'm going to sit like straight today. So I'm sitting in that position. So we should be good. Let me just check. Hopefully there is nothing for me to share. Okay, I think we're good. Nice. Also, Shashwat, work done. Is your work done, fam? Okay. Okay. So I was going through Fastify docs. Okay, I'm still going through them. I think my next thing is adding tests. So I want to read about how testing works. But I really like how Fastify structure, even lifecycle is something that I was reading. But I really like how it's structured and the idea they're going with. I did check their code base. It's in JavaScript, by the way. Can you 1 second? If you go to their code base, it's in JavaScript. Like JavaScript, like actual JavaScript. 91% JavaScript. So interesting. And I think this is their entry point, like the main thing. So whatever the cons, blah blah blah, and then function fastify. Yeah, this is Then you do new fastify. Just here. Probably. Whoa! Is that a bug? Huh. Oh, interesting. Does Ghostly have a bug? Should we fix it? Anyway, मैं तो बड़ा कर रहा हूँ. I mean, bigger because chat can see it. Anyway, so where am I doing new Fastify app config? This thing. There is also a lot of options. I believe like HTTP stuff is also over here, but I need nice. If you do HTTP stuff, I think it should also, yeah, HTTP2, HTTPS, session time or whatnot. So like all this is there. But my main thing, what I tried today, is route shorthand options. What that means is basically in the life cycle of a request that comes in. So over here, if we see that all these things are there, but we have something called life cycle, right? So over here, if we look at stage, pre-handler, pre-validation, fast, you know, of how we want a payload to look like. It will validate against that and then it through that. What that is like which identify for me. So for example, I have tokens dot wherever I used it. Create token ops. This is my route for create, and this I'm saying it's a post request. I'm saying this is my that I've done this here. Create token opt. If I go to, I see that I'm giving it look like mobile. These and like so this can also do for this. Have a get request to go like get relay.showbit.com is equal to OpenAI or Grok or something like that. So this can validate a query string also using my JavaScript. The shorthand options, right? Sorry. Pretty good. I was not using this before, so now I'm using it. And so today I went into that. Now I have to check testing because based on this factor, I have some things or not, which I want to get. But changes like this now, I think we are using it. Like more friends of mine, he did post some with Relay the other day. Now it's not just me using it, and it's someone else using it. I feel responsible. Things should not fail because of it, so that I know when something breaks if I make it. But I don't know how to test in fast. That's what to do. So I thought it's fine. We're gonna parts. So that's what. What else can we do? Look into our K6 PR. Do. Let's go. That's not the right link. They work something new. New. Much and then on the thing. So if my changes get merged and that feature I end up that I don't make, and I can actually show key like Michelle has plus how I went plus to it on the picture. It's fine. So let me just check on the also. Yes, this right. Dude, it's been 2 weeks and nothing on this. Is this guy a contributor? He's a contributor, yeah. Mic not working fine. Mic is not working? Oh. Are you sure? Let me just confirm. Is it really not working? Oh, now working. Oh, okay. Great. Okay. I know. That is good. Sometimes StreamYard does like glitch out. That's fine. Life happens. It's okay. You're not perfect. But that is precisely why I'm going to be making Pipecast. By the way, Pipecast. By the way, version 0.1. By the way, if I go to my renderer, by the way, /app tsx, I still haven't built anything other than IPC. But yeah, gonna make that also. I think I'm gonna make that off stream. I'm not sure. Let's see. So yeah, nothing on this. So let's see. I'm not sure what to do on stream today. Maybe like test, but that's boring. I don't think anyone will enjoy that. We could work on Pipecast, or at least start researching on it. On like how do you stream on Twitch, how do you stream on YouTube. So that would be fun. What else can we do? I have some reading stuff to do on Fastify. Like I want to read more about life cycle and this and that. I have to complete my notes. I'm almost done with like their guide. Yeah, this thing, life cycle, logging, middleware. I have a lot. Like this is not a lot. I read all this, and then I have to read all this. So, but again, that's like not stream stuff. That's personal time stuff. You know, away from stream. And then stream, I will just focus on building. Testing might be fun to do. So build app, Fastify. Oh, that is an inject. Huh, huh, huh. Do we do this or not? Also, for a test, I got a PR review done from Claude. This what is it called? Claude resume review route. Huh. I got my PR review done by Claude, and yeah, this is where I got the idea of test containers. So Docker plus test containers is the cleanest way to keep CI self-contained, and test containers handle the spin up /trader automatically. You just point drizzle at the container URL, which sounds interesting, but I don't really know what test containers are. So I did Google it, but like, I didn't really get into it. You know, is an open source library for providing throwaway lightweight instances of databases, message brokers, web browsers, or just anything that can run in a Docker container. Okay, that's interesting. Generic container Redis, generic container Java. Psychopaths. There is no TypeScript for this. What? Oh, Node.js. My bad. I'm stupid. Redis await new generic container. Redis. Oh, huh. Oh, that reminds me. Did you guys see this Railway TypeScript SDK repo? They open sourced this recently, so that's fun. Brother. Also, Railway CLI is in Rust. Brother. Why Rust? Why Rust? Why Rust? Yeah, they released this like 7 hours ago, or like made it public like at least recently, just like today. So it's fun. Like there's, I think I'm waiting for like issues on this so that I would love to contribute to Railway. You know, it's on my list. That is a We are so back. We are so back. Yeah, we're so back. My bad. But I think when I opened Claude, it just kind of like crashed. Anyway, life moves on. It's fine. Okay, anyway, so I was looking at test containers, and maybe like I will use this for testing because Relay is a scheduling application. I don't want to just test my routes. I want to test it on an actual database, but I don't want to spin up an actual database because I have a Relay subscription, but I don't have the premium subscription. I have the pro subscription, $5 hobby subscription. Sorry. So anyway, we'll probably look into this, or I'll look into it later, and then on stream I might implement it. Getting started. What is test containers? Lightweight APIs for bootstrapping, blah blah blah. Ooh, so I can go something. I'm guessing I can go something like. Also, I should clean this up. Like I should remove module. I'm guessing it's like I don't know. DB is equal to new generic containers. DB like something, Postgres, and then dot something, and then I can have like DB as an object to use. So DB.seed. That's like I think the idea they're going for, which is interesting. Not bad actually. Not bad at all. What I safety test and prod, what I unit test with containers, what I test and deploy. Interesting. Okay. Not bad at all. Oof, Rust. Please, brother, I'm not crazy. So, anyway, that is something. I have a lot to talk about Fastify. Like how it works and what I've learned about it. Not sure how much I should get into that. Like the general idea is something which I very much like. A lot of things. This is what I was going through. Yeah. So I just pass in that and it's done. I can do this. A lot of stuff. Extend your server. Blah blah blah. In other words, Fastify is not a batteries included framework and relies on its amazing ecosystem. Test your server, testing is done, blah blah blah. Slides and videos. Oh, what videos? Take your HTTP server to ludicrous speeds. Oh, this is interesting. What if I told you that HTTP can be fast? Who's near form 8 years ago? The goat himself. My God, brother. The goat himself. Also, I didn't know he made Pinot. Damn. Damn. Casually just top 3 orgs, one whole runtime which the industry is using. Yeah. Reaching ludicrous speeds, application, blah blah blah, closures, demo. Dude, 8 years ago was insane. I like it. I like it. And who is this guy? At Elastic. Oh, why have I heard of Elastic? Oh, never. I've not heard of this. Elasticsearch. No idea. Across 8 time zones, managing. Damn, brother. I love open source. Yay, let's go. I'm one of the lead maintainers of Fastify, a speedy web framework for Node.js. Crazy, dude. Damn. See, this is what I'm talking. People like these, dude. Like, if you're the smartest person in the room, you're in the wrong room. As a senior engineer manager, love them, dude. I enjoy speaking at conferences in the past years. Stockholm. Code Motion in Milan. Damn. Dude, I love this guy already. Thomas. Yeah. Anyway, so research stuff I will do later. Okay. But what can we do on stream? I'm not sure. Like if you're gonna code, and it's not gonna be a long stream, already like 20 minutes have passed by. I'll probably stream for like an hour. So I'm not sure what can be coded in the next 40 minutes, which is actual coding. Relay also, there's very small bugs to code something from scratch, but what? I have no idea. Like I have Pipecast, which is my next project, but it's not like I want to build all of it on Stream because I think like I'll build some of it on Stream, some of it offline because I want to get done with this and like have my streaming setup ready so I can switch on stream on Twitch, YouTube, Twitter at the same time, and it'll be like a nice learning for me because all of it uses RTMPS underneath. RTMPS, real time messaging protocol, whatever. This is how streaming is done. So you send in video bytes to basically YouTube servers, Twitch servers, and Twitter servers. And then I want to see your thinking small project. I don't think, brother. It's my greatest strength and my greatest fallback. I either don't think or I think too much. There is no in between. Although it's a skill I'm learning. It's like don't think too much in the future. Don't not think at all. Somewhere in between. You move and you also get moved. That doesn't make sense, bro. So I'm not sure. Like maybe Pipecast, maybe I have no idea. There are some bugs to solve on Relay, not like bugs in the sense like bugs. But for example, tokens.route, this gives you a 201 on delete. Wait, does it not give it on delete? Yes, it gives you 201 created token on delete, which is clearly not right. So not that it's causing issues on production, but it should technically, this message should not be there. This should be 200, either 200 or 204. So that's what. But again, this is a small thing. I don't really care about this. Oh, mic is not working again, is it? Yeah. Okay. So I'm not really sure what to build. Other than Pipecast, there's nothing crazy that is on my mind. What can I work on? Let me see. Pipecast relay is going decent. I think I also scheduled a post. I already scheduled. Oh, I should have dark mode, right? But again, not book lots of I'm not touching the front end dog. At least front end is all cloud. This can be better, by the way. It's very bland front end. So I'll think maybe later. But yeah, this is my next post that will go out on 1st of June. So let's see. Anyway. So I'm a little bit confused. What can we build? Not sure. What can we build? Either Pipecast I start. Pipecast I'm not going to use any AI other than styling. So all the backend stuff and front end capturing everything, sending it to the backend, that is something I will do. What else can we do? There's no AI stuff to do. Read code base. I'm doing K6 ka code base, but it's also very boring to do it on stream. I like their idea. I know what they're going for. I know a bit of how when you run a test, I know the whole flow of it. Not the whole flow of it. That's what I'm figuring out, but I know what all gets invoked. So it's not fun on stream. I'm thinking, what can I do which is fun on stream? What can we do? We can just probably talk. That's also fine. Let's read some super technical article. I don't know, Mitchell has something. Hacker News probably has something. To become the most valuable, I saw that. I don't even know what to read. Has there been stuff on my list? I did go through Sobek, which is not Sobek, I went through the code base of it, but okay. In JavaScript, you need an engine and a runtime, right? So there is a JavaScript engine written in Go called Goja. And then Case Grafana took Goja, forked it, and made their own custom engine basically from there and called it Sobek. And K6 is a JavaScript runtime which uses Sobek as its engine to execute JavaScript. So my like after I'm done with Pipecast, when I'm working on my split keyboard, which will be that won't be on Steam. That's just for me. So after Pipecast, I'm gonna just be doing on stuff like this where I'm exploring and then doing all that. So if I have to make a runtime, I'll probably go the K6 route. Right? I'll use Goja as the engine and then see what to do. Probably something with Zig. Not sure. Finding and fixing Ghosty's largest memory leak. Ghostly is now non-profit. Zig builds are getting faster. I do like reading Michel Hashimoto. There's also one more guy I like reading, Carlos Becker. Yeah. He was at Charl. Now he's at GitHub. So that's been fun. Yeah, I didn't create portfolio. He also manages Go Releaser. Yeah, I forgot about that. Yeah, GitHub, blah, blah, blah. So, oh, he's working on Copilot CLI. Crazy. Very interesting. We can look at. Are there some code bases that I'm looking to contribute to? I am not sure. I am really not sure. Let me check. What do I have in mind? Mhm. What can we read? What can we read? Posts. Oh, I really want to try out Mix by the way. Custom YAML, Marshall, and Marshall with Go. You know, it's on my mind to build an HTTP parser from scratch or HTTP from scratch. But let's see, what are some code crafters? Huh? Brother. .io, bro. Brother. Crazy. Backed by Bicey? I didn't know they were backed by Bicey. It's crazy. Build your own shell. What is free this month? Oh, build your own cloud code. That's funny. It's very interesting, but I do not want to build my cloud code. Oh, building a shell is free this month. Oh, build your own SQL. That would be fun. Learn about SQLite file format, B trees. Oh, we could try making a B tree. Shashwat, what's up? What is up, Shashwat? I'm very confused on what to do. I'm not going to lie. Search, build your own X on. Yeah, I know. It's from there only. I have it started already. Build your own X. You should build a kernel. I don't really have an interest in kernel. Interesting. Okay. Kafka-like engine from scratch, crazy. Or maybe you can use the linter too. TypeScript mentioned. I'm actually confused. Like, what do I code right now? Because relay is done. I can scratch it off my list, by the way. Where is my list? Okay, there it is. Relay version 1 is out. I have to clean up my code base, but it's boring to do on stream, so I'll do it later. Build a terminal. Yes, I should make it in. Honestly, real talk, not the worst idea. Building a terminal in JavaScript, it'll be fun just for the sake of it. Electron. Or maybe Go mein bana liya. I'm not sure, dude. Like, terminal is on my list, like a basic terminal. Uncategorized. Code in Java, so something different. I will rather Not. Imagine a terminal which is an Electron app. Yeah, if I want if I want Twitter to hate me, sure. I don't want Twitter to hate me. Dude. Building a DNS server in Node. Oh, this is interesting. Oh, brother. Hey, I didn't know this was there. Did you read this for your DNS server? You know, build NET server. I don't know what NET is. Network. What was NET? I forgot. Yeah, network address translation. How to get banned from a YouTube channel. DNS stands for domain name service. Yes. First language of choice is JavaScript. Let's go. DNS zone master file. Hey, this is not bad actually. So we're going to need master files for the domains which come under out authority, R authority, type of fixed PR. Master files are defined in RFC 1035. DNS is man. Okay. What can we do? I was thinking B trees, but I don't know. What is it called? Build a scalable. I can do that for relay. Also, here's the thing. I don't find any. Like, I'm very much in the mindset of if I don't need to do it right now, unless like I'm learning, then I shouldn't do it. You'll just make an RFC compatible structs and stuff. I build in Python. It's not that fun. Damn. I know. I remember it in a server. So that's why I was asking. Like, did you go through that only? Lua building a CDN from a CDN in Lua. A CDN in Lua. Huh. Grafana mentioned. Let's go. A synchronized engine. Okay, that sounds interesting. I don't want this stream is just like, it's not like I'm going to make this as a project. It's just a random stream. Like, I want to do something on this stream. What is something I can implement in this stream? Linked list. Do you want to do some data structure? Wait. What is a sync engine? Oh, a sync engine. Build something from Open F1. What's Formula 1 data? No API calls. API calls are just like, yeah, I just do something with that. No API stuff. How to get banned from your own YouTube channel? Why do you want to get banned from your own YouTube channel? What? Do you want me to ban you? Block, report? Why do I go? You can try some C. Honestly, yeah. Do I have GCC? Oh, I don't have GCC. Okay. CD, personal tests. Yeah. What can we build in C? Which is stupid enough for me to do it. I don't know C itna. Like, I'll Google a lot probably. And you probably need to be here to tell me stuff. What do I code? Tell me a data structure. Linked list. Honestly, should we like do a linked list and C? Linked list and C would be fun. WebSocket and C. What do you want to do? I don't know. Something like easy enough for me to also do it. Because I'm not good at data structures or C. WebSocket in C. Isn't there a web server in C? Nah. I don't want to do anything backend or frontend. Like right in this stream. I want to do something not that. We could do a CLI tool in C. Sounds good. Linked list? Okay, linked list. Okay. Now, मैं पहले कह रहा हूँ. Do not judge me. Simple DB and C. Yeah, just I'll make a wall file, you know. Not a file. What a wall file. Write ahead log. Yeah, write ahead log. Okay, I guess. main.c? Is it main.c? Shashwat, what should the file be called? It is fine for start. You can also do some fancy things as well. So we can discover that. I think we do this. If I'm not wrong, it's int main return 0 and hash include standard IO dot h. Is this C++ or C? I'm not sure. Include header is not used directly. Fix. I forgot what is the thing called. Oh, isn't there also using namespace std? Fast forward LL or something. What is a fast forward LL? Using namespace std in C. Namespace for C++. Oh. What do you do in C? That's what I want to know. Oh, you know what we should try? We should genuinely try. We should try making a basic GUI screen in C, which like just renders text on the screen, and then we can make some algorithm to do something with that text, like maybe some compression algorithm or something. That would be fun. You're wiring raw C, so then like just not this. How do I print stuff in C? Print F. Print ln now, brother. Do I not have C ka LSP? Actually, it's fine. Let's code without an LSP. Print ln hi backslash hi. First start with the first start with the linked list first. Okay, linked list. We're gonna do with the linked list. Printf. Printf. Okay. Call and with type int. Also, I forgot I can just do this thing. Space vd. Call and declare blah blah blah. Okay. I need a library for this, right? Hash include. What is my hash include? I clearly have not written C, so you guys need to help me out. Standard IO? No. What is the I knew it. I did that. Oh, I don't think I need like okay, so GCC LL dot C output LL. Oh, is it ulta? Is it output LL dot C? I think I'm a C dev, guys. I think I'm a C dev. Also, isn't there something called this thing? Warning all? Oh, sorry. Is it with that? Yeah. Dude, honestly, at this point, I'll just make a makefile for this. Compile GCC extra output ll.c ll make compile dot ll. Done. Yeah, done. Let's go. Okay, so that's fun. Now we need to make a linked list. Now, what is a linked list? That's a good question. Run through Makefile itself. How? LinkedIn.com, brother. Link muscle memory. Next time you can. Oh, okay. GCC. Yeah, nice. Okay, now what's a nice article? What is the difference between LinkedIn and linked? Bro, how does a linked list work? A beginner's guide to... Yeah, sure. I know how the basic of a LinkedIn works. Brother. Okay, I know how the basics of a linked list work. You have a head block, right? Why is this in dotted? I don't want it to be dotted. There is a head node, right? A node has some value, right? And then you basically are like, hey, you can add in a node. Oh, yeah, you can add in a node, put some value here. You can delete the node later, and then if you have to delete it, you need to track this thing, right? So in C, you have to basically allocate memory and then deallocate memory when you're doing addition and subtraction of the nodes. So you're dealing with pointers, from what I know. I think I would have to make a struct in C, like a node struct, and if it's a head node or not. Or maybe I just need to put in the head reference and then build it out. Okay. 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 Let's see. Syntax पे I'll probably Google some stuff, which I think is fine. How to make a struct. Actually, I think I know. Let me just try it first. Type node. No. And oh no, is it node here? And then you do something like type struct or struct value. It could be int, let's say. Oh, sorry. Int value. Next, which should be a pointer to the node, which is next. Oh, how do you? Is it like that? How do you do a pointer? Oh no, you don't do the ampersand for the address, brother. I am. What? It's typedef itself. Oh, okay. Typedef struct. That's too dangerous. What is too dangerous? I have no idea about linked list. Linked list may basically, okay, I'll explain the idea of a linked list and then you can tell me the syntax of what I'm trying to do. So, linked list works on the idea of nodes. Okay, we have one node which is called the head node, and then after that, when we append to a linked list, we are basically adding another node and then making a link of the next value to the new node that's coming in. If you want to ditch, and let's say like one node, two node, three node, we have this. You know it now. Oh, perfect. Okay. Struct keyword is required. Yeah, but how do I write a pointer to like how do I write this in C? Because this can be null. Like if it's a single node, if it's a single linked list, then I also probably need length. So typedef struct linked list probably, which I should have a head. This should be something of a node, and then I need to have the length, which should be an int. Oh, how do I? Huh? I'm so confused. Oh! I know. There is no hoisting in C. I forgot. My bad. What? Brother, what am I doing wrong? Also, I think you should go. Oh, okay. Learn X in Y minutes. C. Okay. Constants are defined in all caps. Standard. Okay. stdio string.h standard lib. Hashtag include. Okay. Oh, in void. Struct node. Okay. Void. This is if you want to take something from the CLI argument. I don't want that. Unsigned int. Where is structs? Where is the reference to your struct? Struct node. Struct node. Oh, we should look at that. So do you put this here or not? Oh, you do. Ah, struct node and then this thing. Oh, we're going to make a integer linked list. Okay, and this technically, I don't know, there are generics in C, but I could do some, just bear with me. I could do something like this later, like I can have an int, if there are generics in C, where I can have a double, and I can do something like, this is TypeScript at this point, but I can do something like, hey, if this is T, then this should also be node of T. And if there is node of T over here, I should, well, if there's node of T, my value should also be T in a generic linked list, but we're not going for that. So there's no new, I know, that was TypeScript, but that was the idea. What do how do I just do linked list is equal to linked list? How do you do that? Struct. Oh, there is struct rectangle. Structs are just joint collection. Oh, so I don't need to do that. Wait, I don't need type def, do I? Can't do what? Oh, I got that. Oh, I have to create that. Oh, okay. So my head. Oh, I just have to do what? Null and then 0. There's no method or function. It's good. What do you think linked list is? It's a struct. I'm writing TypeScript in my head. I know that's not what you're supposed to do. Oh, otherwise you need to do. Oh, so can't I just do this then? Oh, I can. Oh, wait, why? What? Why do I need it here and not here? Brother, what is this behavior? That's weird. But I don't need it here, right? Like, what's the difference between that and that? Okay. Int area rect r dot width. You can apply a type def to a struct for convenience. Okay. How do I insert a type def struct? Oh, okay. So that's the convention. That's nice. What is the rectangle? Int. So use of undeclared identifier. Sorry, space vd. Use of undeclared identifier null. Isn't that how you do it? How do I mark this value as like, oh, right now it points to nothing. Nil to go mein. It's for other LOC. Oh, okay. Also, meanwhile, while we're at it, increment length of my linked list ll dot length plus. I hope that is on my, Oh no. I want it to be void, and I want this to be a pointer, and I want this to be a pointer. Wait, what? Did you mean to use? Oh. Maybe try making a new method. What do you need? Why do you need? Oh, you keep track of length in linked list. You always do that, I remember. Because, you just do it. Why do you do it? I don't know. You need to know how long your list is, right? Like if, for example, if you have to know ki how many, like let's say making a, for example, let's say making a stack trace. Okay? In a stack trace, you need to know how many functions are there to be called, right? Why? Because I'm giving you an example. Because you should. It's also a way of asserting how many nodes you have. So if your length is 0, and then you're saying ki, acha, remove a node, it will give you an error on your memory, right? But if I have, like, let's say one node at least, then I can be like, acha, if my length is not 0, if it's more than 0, then I can remove a node. But abhi we don't need it. I mean, sure, but it's good to, if we can, we should, like over here. How do I do this thing though? I don't know how to do that. Brother. I don't know what this error is. Use of Whew. Oh. Oh. I hate myself. Brother. Okay. So this is what we're gonna do. We're gonna Okay. Now this is what we're going to do. This is I think I got okay. Add node to our linked list LL, which is going to be a pointer. Logic to add a node. Okay. Over so इस case में if we're going to be like LL dot length is equal to 0, then we're going to, what do you say, return. Okay. If not, then we're going to be like, okay, add node here by walking to the last node from the head, and then add a new node plus increase length. This is what I'm thinking. It's null, yeah, but remove what 0? Why do you want to remove it 0? It's the length, no? Trust me on this, brother. I think it's better to have a length, because the thing is, if you remove, it's an assertion basically. Like let's say you want to remove a node, and you already have the nodes, but then you still run the logic to remove a node. Doesn't that cause some sort of null exception or memory pointer exception, something like that? I'm guessing. Zero idea. Anyway, this is for adding a node. This is for removing a node. This is, what is there? Add node, remove node. That's pretty much it. Get value. We should get value. Int get value at position, linked list, int position. Right. So if it's 0, nil, pause. Return -1. Oof. Return -1. Let's go, sir. Error codes for the win. Non-word functions must return a value. Return 0 for now. Am I on the right track? I think I'm on the right track. Oh yeah, forget about the size. Okay, forget about the size. Abhi to it's fine. So point is, I've defined my structs. I've defined my I've initialized my list. Now I need to add a node, right? Okay, let's think about this. So if I have my head, no. If I'm adding a node, if my length is 0, I want to add a node. So I'm going to be like, hey, I need to do, okay, if I'm adding a node, I need to also create a value for it, right? Value, which is an int. So I'm going to be like, hey, give me a node, which is going to be this. Node is equal to, what does my node contain? Okay. It should contain my value and then null. Okay, this is my node, and then I'm going to be like, hey, ll.head is equal to node, but not just node. I'm going to make this a pointer because I want the pointer. Is that not how you do it? What if I do this? Indirect requires, is it this? Give me the address of it. Correct, okay. And then ll dot, what is my increment length? Increment length of my linked list. Is that not how you call to undeclared function? But it is okay. Okay. How do you call this thing? Where is that thing? In area. Where is my area being called over here? You gotta malloc it on heap. Oh, right, I forgot. Brother, what? Huh? Do you not? Where is area being called? Because after the function, return the stack allocated thing is going to be destroyed. Okay, one second. I need to first get all of this above main. Is that correct? Look at that. This logic is correct, right? If I have a function called increment length, which I'm passing as a pointer, this will handle it. I think that's correct. So I should put all of this also above. Okay, wait. I got to malloc. Malloc is memory allocation. What do I need to malloc? No need in the main. But मेरे main के नीचे. I'm a bit confused right now. Yes. How do I use it? Oh, I have to allocate the size of my node. Yeah. I have to allocate the size of my node. Be like, hey, because my program when it's running, then okay, let me think about this. I got what you're saying. When my program is running, it starts with a static size memory, right? That's your stack and heap, no? Buffer and heap. What is it called? I think it's called stack and heap. Yeah. So stack is where my static program is running, and then when I need to add a node, I can't take it from a static memory. I can't take it from a stack. I need it from a heap. So because I need it from a heap, I'm gonna use malloc, and when I'm removing it, I need to free that memory and give it back to the heap. I remember C. How do you malloc this stuff? Okay, let's try. Let's just vibe. Node is equal to, I guess it's a node. Malloc. N. What is N? N is 5. Allocate memory for 5 integers. How do I calculate my node length? Like I can just like give the number, which is how much does int take and how much does this take. Oh, but won't this be a recursion? How do I know how much memory my node takes? Oh, malloc, I need a stdlib, right? Stdlib. Malloc. Size of DS. You only need one node. Yeah, okay. No. Wait, node what? Okay. Common also. Oh, calloc. Size of DS. What is size of DS? Like this? Oh, size of. size of node into. Oh no, I don't need that. Oh, I'm stupid. Oh, I know. Got it. Okay. Node. Isn't that what we need to do? But this will be that. And this will be that. Okay, that's something. So I don't need to technically do this. Let's go. Node value is equal to value. And then node next is equal to null, right? That is, if node is not equal to null, then do that, brother. And if it is, printf, bruh, these nodes are null. Okay, I think we're on the right path. Okay, now thank you, Shashwat, for the malloc. Okay, remember to free. Memory, then removing a node. Okay, and return actually. Let's return from here. Okay, so if my length is 0, I'm going to take a node, I'm going to get the memory from my heap. If it's not null, I'm going to add in the values for that. I'm going to add it as my head node. I'm going to increment my length. I'm going to return from here. That is if my length is 0. Now, if my length is not 0, I need to... Also, this is technically append node. I can there is also a method where, like, if I need to add it to a random position, I need to walk over there, get the reference of this one, and then store it here, and then attach this to this, and then this to this, and then that will point there. But we'll do that. Add by, okay. So walk to last node. Let's just walk to last node from the head, and then add a new node. Okay. Add new node. Update all values. Yeah, update all values. Okay. Not for. While, brother. While true. What is your issue? Why can't I use that? While 1, I guess. Okay, while 1. If my linked list dot head, oh sorry, go bro, मैं go लिखने लग गया, my bad. If my linked list dot head not const, oh my bad, node is equal to cur is equal to मेरा linked list का head. I don't want to lose the reference to this, right? So this should be my pointer to the node. So if my cur का जो next है is not null, then what I'm going to do is I'm going to be like, hey, my cur should be my cur ka next. Okay? Why is that wrong? Do you need size of node or node? No, you don't need to worry about free tabby. I know. You hate early return. Do we? Yeah, we're not going to feed right now. Do you need size of node or node? Oh, or node star. Oh, let me check. Damn. Dude, I've not dealt with pointers in like years. And it's showing very clearly. Do I need size of node or node? What was over here? Brother, is it not int and not star of int? and node is over here, because I'm guessing we're typecasting this. This is typecasting, that we've allocated our memory and we want this to represent our node. So that's what we're going to do. And then I'm guessing this is correct. Like this is just we're getting the size of. Are we correct? And I mean, if like program will fail also, so we have that as backup. Why are you? Okay, if my current is, if I'm on my head and my current is not, let me draw it out over here. Say here. Oh, perfect. Let's draw 2. Don't worry about it. Let's go. Yeah, I mean, galat bhi ho gaya, it'll crash. We'll get to know about it. It's fine. Okay, let's say this is my head. Let's say this is my head, or curve. Rather, let's call it curve. If my next is not null, I am saying my current should now be my next. I'm saying my current should now. Right. This should become my current. Actually, wait. Let me do something better. Okay. If I'm on my head and I'm saying if my next is not null, this should become my current, this should become my current, this should become my current, and then I should add in a value to that. So let's say I'm on my here. Let's say I'm here and this points to nothing. Okay? Why is this wrong? Why am I getting this? Struct node. Incompatible pointer types assigning node. Oh, is it because Shashwat, I need syntax help over here. What am I doing wrong? Read the error. Yeah, that's what I'm doing. I don't really understand it. Why is there struct over there? Brother. Incompatible pointer types assigning to node star from struct node. Why is there a struct over here? It's some pointer stuff I'm... Hear me out. This is that. And what is my next? Oh, this is my struct node. Oh, okay. And this is my node. How does that? Okay. Incompatible. That is so weird. How does that make any sense? Shouldn't it be the same? Didn't we use type def? What? Do you mean to say I need to do it like this? Type def requires a name. No, that's correct. Okay. Oh, okay. So Okay, I get it. Over here it's node, which we're referencing here. But over here it's struct node because apparently you can't use your own type inside the struct. So that's interesting. But then how do we solve this? How do we solve this? Do I need to change something here? This is a pointer to my node. This is a pointer to my next node. Struct node versus this. I don't want to do this. Do I need to do that? Yeah, see, same issue. Because over here, then I'm basically doing this thing again. Aren't I like breaking all the principles that we're not supposed to break? Or not principles, but like that. We're gonna Google the error because that's what good developers do. Incompatible pointer types. No, I know what the error is, but why is it the error? I'm a little bit confused, brother. And by little bit, I mean quite confused. How is this wrong? I want my current to be my current next. Do you want me to do this? Because I don't like this. Yeah, see, incompatible pointer definition because head is not that. Yeah. Type def struct. Oh. See, Shashwat, this is why I need you. Interesting. Okay, and then my next should also. Got it. Okay. If my. Oh, actually, I don't even need to do this, right? What I can do is I can do this here and I can be like, hey, while my current next is not null, do this. So I'm walking my thing, and then soon as my current next becomes null, which means where is this? Okay, let's start over here. Current next is null. No. Assign this as the current. Current next is null. No. Assign this as the current. Current next is null. Yes. Break out from there. My current value is there. Don't worry about it, Abhi. Yeah. Okay. Now, over here, I can assume I'm on my latest node, on my last node. Now, what I need to do is I'm gonna get my node, which is node is equal to node of this malloc. Thanks, Shashwat. Size of my node. Okay, then I'm gonna be like, hey, where is that logic? You know, if I'm gonna be doing this again, let's just do it this way. Void assert node, node. If let's do this. If node is equal to null, okay. Actually, that doesn't even make it's fine. Let's just repeat code. It's fine. We'll not think about all that. We'll clean up later. Let it work first. Okay. Anyway, if my node is null, then blah 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 blah. Assign the value. That's great. And then I need to add this node. So my cur next will be my new node. And then I'm going to be like, hey, increment the length of my linked list. Yeah, I think that's it. Return. I think we're good. Please don't write C like this. Mat kar bhai. What? You already malloc looper. No, but I didn't do that, right? That was in the if condition. I didn't do it twice. This is in the if condition, brother. No. ZG. Brother, you cannot ask a TypeScript dev to not write C like C devs do. Please. What is wrong? I think it's fine. Abhi se, dude, we'll do it at last. Sorry, dude, you asked for this. We're writing C because of you, and this is how we're gonna write C. Okay, update all values. I've updated my current next, and this is coming from. Oh wait! This is my pointer. Oh, but my linked list will not be affected. Okay, that's great. Okay. Actually, you know what? What we can do? You know what we can do, Shashwat? What you're correct about? We can do this. Create node. Um, make node. Let's do make node. It's fine if it's not perfect code, by the way, but just say, just say, just say. Yeah, that's great. So make node, and then value. Is that better for you, Shashwat? If length is 0, then do that. If length is increment length, walk to the last node current, it should be my head. Okay. Shashwat, I have a question. No new function. Brother, can you move that malloc above but I can, but do I want to do that? Do we want to do that is the question. You know? Okay, Shashwat, I have a question. If I'm taking the pointer from here, am I losing the value of my head from my linked list? Because I don't want that. You know, like my head should not change. I just want a new variable. This is a new variable, right? Or a pointer to that. And because if I change that, then my head will also change. Can be in top, then you can check for these conditions. Oh, okay. Makes sense. All right, fair. We've done that. We've कर दिया, ऊपर रख दिया उसको. But you need to help me out with this because this is a pointer. So I don't want. Why not? Why not what? Why not? Because I want to keep my head. If I don't have the reference of my head, how will I do anything else? How will I append? So my head value will change from my linked list if I do this. Oh, brother. So I just want the value of my head. I don't want the pointer to my head. You know what I mean? Or do I? You know what we can do? Head. Just if that is the case, this is what we can do. We can be like, hey, this is the head, and then last mein, if it's going to change, ll head can be back to my head. If it changes, no, brother, you need to type out in sentences. I have no idea what you're talking about. You need. मेरा Wi-Fi चला गया? Why has my Wi-Fi failed me? Brother. Okay, you know what? Let's just try. I think this is good enough logic. We've created. Okay, what are we doing? Let's start from the beginning. We've allocated a node. Okay. If my length is 0, where is it? Make my node. Add it to my head node. Then will be this new node, incremented by 1, and then return. Okay. And then if my length is greater than 1, I will hold my current value that, hey, this is my head, this is what I'm starting off with. Keep going till I'm null. My next value is null. If I've reached my next value and it's null, I will stop here. This is my current node. And then give me the new node. My next value from my current should point to the new node and then increment my length. You're saying the current is a pointer which holds the node. So head and chain, you're just copying the pointer value. Okay. Okay, perfect. Okay. That's great. Okay, so adding a node is done. Now let's remove a node. If my length is 0, Perfect. Okay. Now removing a node from the end. So same logic as this. Walk to the last node, remove a new node, update all values. Now for this, we will probably need this part. Okay. If this is my current head, if my next to next is not null. Okay. So that means my next, okay, we're pushing off the diagram. This means that, okay, if I want to remove this node, right, like take it from the last pop, what I'm doing is that, hey, I'm starting here. If my next to next, leave the removing part away, but why? It's like not that much. If my next to next is not null, boom. If my next to next, okay, so then this means this is the one I have to remove. So that means that my cur next node to remove, I guess, is equal to cur next, right? Node to remove, and I'm saying my cur next should be null, and my increment. I think it's a very small change for the decrement and linked list, current next. And then I'm saying, hey, this is the node to remove, get this, put my thing to null, decrease the length, and then we can free this. How do we free this? We need to free my node to remove, right? Actually, let's do it here. Shashwat, is this correct? Free? मेरे linked list का head नहीं होगा, but I'm doing the hey, and then from here copy this. Okay, I think it should be correct. Okay, I'm freeing my memory, I'm deleting my node. If it's not, oh, actually, one thing we forgot. If linked list ka length is 1, then we can just be like, hey, my LL ka head is equal to, wait. Let's do this thing. Node to remove, which can be my LL head, and I'm saying, hey, LL head should now be null, and I'm saying free and decrement. Try print first. Yes, okay, that's correct. Okay, great. So based, I think we can now do add remove. Where is my main function? Honestly, dude, I'm actually enjoying writing C. Like, I've not done this in a long time. Add node, my linked list. Shashwat, this one's for you. 69. Oh, sorry, I'm at list. I mean, अब ये कर ही रहा है, then why not just do this? Excess elements in scalar initial size. Okay, it's fine. Let's just do it this way. I think it's fine. Add node, 20. Remove node, remove node. Yeah. Okay, now how do we print? Oh, you know what we should do? We should write a print function also. String is not a thing in C, I know. You need list pointer, yeah. See, brother, I'm a C veteran. I started my programming with C. I know just a little bit, just a little bit, you know. But crazy. I think by the way, stream पे सिर्फ तो है. So, you know, I think you are enjoying. I hope you are enjoying. Okay, हाँ, ये चाहिए था. But yeah, cool. So, how do I check? Oh, you know what I can check? I think I know what to do. I think I know what to do. Oh, okay. I think I know what to do. Print list. Yeah. I think I know how to do it. Linked list. I have a very stupid idea. Let's do it that way. While node curve is equal to brother. And then head while curve next is not equal to null, printf node of percentage %d yes. I know कि like ये वो करेगा. Boom. Yeah. Okay. Okay, brother, are we ready? We're so back. Oh, you don't need to return things. कुछ तो गलत गया. Something has gone very wrong. While current next is not null. Something has gone very wrong. Where am I returning things? Void function, huh? What? Oh, अच्छा वो string के लिए. Yeah. Something I've done wrong. Okay, let's start from the beginning. Okay, let's comment out this part. Unused parameter pause. Get value. It did not print it. Of course it did not print it. Print this because I'm not. Something I want to try is this. In fact, oh, actually, but that can be null. I'm just trying this out. Just bear with me. Return. I know you don't like early returns, brother, but just bear with me. Okay. I think removing पे गलती करी है. So let's add in this part also. Main. What am I doing? Ah, there you go. So The thing was 2 minutes ago. Yeah. I know YouTube ka there is light delay. Wait, I'm doing something wrong. I'm saying, hey, if then this, that, that's great. See, I think this is where I'm going wrong. I'm saying get my head. Current. हाँ, my linked list पे head will not change. That means, so this is good. This is my current. This is my pointer. I'm saying that, hey, while current dot next is not null, increment that. So right now I have one node. If oh, but if my current head is not null, that means this should never have been gone into. That means I'm making my node. I'm saying that, hey, my current next should now point to this thing. Oh, but I'm not attaching it to my node? What? I'm a bit confused, I'm not going to lie. Try printing the length in print, correct. Printing the length in print. Length is 2. Oh, that was correct. So मेरा print में गलती है. Oh, I know. मैं कभी break ही नहीं कर रहा हूँ, right? नहीं, but हाँ. How does that make sense? सही तो लग रहा है. अबे वहाँ क्यों कर रहे हैं? Only gonna print one तभी. I know. I was brother. I'm not that stupid also. Not that stupid also. Okay. मेरा 2 तो आ रहा है, but while current next is not null. Oh, because I am stupid. Oh, dude, मैं बेवकूफ हूँ. Idiot. Yeah. I know. We figured it out, brother. We figured it out. I know. Crazy. Oh, तो काम कर bro. First try. I think print function अगर गलत नहीं होता, the code logic first try. Now let's remove and then check. Remove. Brother, first try. Are you ready? Brother, are we ready? Apps, wait. Note 69. That's not correct. Where is my 420? Oh, that is so interesting. Do I have to do key current next and current ka value? Do I have to do as value? Wait. What? No, but that I don't have to do that. इस पे 420 आ ही नहीं रहा. You know what I mean? Why? Add node malloc of size node. If length is 0, ये अलग चल रहा है. Make node जो मैं value pass कर रहा हूँ. I'm saying here current of next should be my node. Correct? Check this out. Actually मैं ये curve of next of value. Node of length, check this out. Okay. Yes. Node of length 2. Oh, this is my one iteration and this is my other iteration. Okay. No, I think both सही है. I think मैं print गलत कर रहा हूँ. Check this out. This seems to be correct. I should be doing this thing by the way. In fact, let's try something. Oh, wait. I think I know why. Because current of next पे तो null. Oh, I know. Yeah. Oh, I think this is what we can do. While how do you do for int I is equal to 0, I is less than ll का length I plus plus, and then I'm gonna be like here, do this. So अगर मेरा दो elements है, which is 2, right? 0 1. So 0 पे current next, 1 पे actually this should be -1 I think. 0 1. Yeah. Yes. Okay, great. So what we need to do is oh brother, node length, this is for first, and then actually let me उसको भी ठीक कर देते हैं. Oh brother, so good. If length, don't overcomplicate it. Don't check next. See a simple. This is how I think. It's not that C is a simple language, it's a complicated language, it's that my thinking is complicated. I overcomplicate things. This is over engineering by the way. Print list. The reason I did that is because Actually, you know what? You're right. I could just be like, here, if length is 0, printf length is 0. You are correct. I will give you that. Hey, let's go. No? What no? अब तो ठीक कर दिया. Hey, I think first try very well. We can do this thing next. Get value at pause and then like close screen. New node plus increase length return 0. Okay. Get value at pause. If length is this, return -1. So if my position is greater than my length, return -1. वैसे भी प्रिंट नहीं होगा. Just make current is equal to ll head and do while curve instead of your next logic. Oh, okay. That's fair. That's fair. No, for loop was not good idea. One second. For loop not good idea, huh? Huh? While curve. Okay, dude. Let's try. अगर fail हुआ. Okay, it didn't fail, but what is this issue? Oh, is it the pause wala? Control reaches and LLET. Okay. It works. Get value at pause. Okay. Yes. Okay. Now how do we do this? We're gonna be like here. Node curve is equal to LL head. ठीक है. While curve honestly, can I say something? While pause is equal to 0. Oh, sorry, while pause is not equal to 0. ठीक है? Curve dot next. Hear me out. This is how I would do it. Oh. I know. Just patience. This is one index, by the way. Get value at position. I know this is not like battle tested code. Oh, segmentation fault. Oh my god. That one check in print to remove one to. हाँ वो हो गया right. Segmentation fault. Let's go. Why do we have a segmentation fault? Get value at position because hey, if length is 0 that, if this is greater than that, and I'm saying that hey, this is 2, so I'm gonna be like hey, in position, current head, while position is not 0. So 2 current का current next 1 2. Oh, no, actually this is bad logic. I don't like this. I think over here a for loop would make sense. For int I is equal to 0, I is less than pause, I plus plus. Yeah, this makes sense. Yeah, this makes so much more sense. Oh, never mind. My bad. You're maybe dereferencing a null pointer, maybe? I don't think so. I hope not. Let's find out. Get value at position. It could be. Oh, मैं current next कर रहा हूँ, right? Oh, of course. नहीं, but current next का फिर current value तो is that how it is? Okay, let's walk through this logic. Okay. Hey, current 669 420. I'm saying कि listen, मेरा position 2 पे है. So that means कि मेरा length भी 2 है because 1 2, and then मैं कह रहा हूँ कि मेरा current is this position. Oh, because I should not start from 0. I should start from 1. Yeah, there you go. There you go. 0 index का issue था. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Absolute cinema. I think we did it. I think good stream. I think ज़्यादा कर ले stream in fact. Almost 2 घंटे. Not bad at all. Yeah. I think good place to stop आज के लिए. Relay का just like some things मेरे को refactor करनी है, remove करनी है. जैसे मैं पूरा उसका वो हटाने वाला हूँ. Dead code जो मेरे को नहीं use करना. And Relay is launched. I think Relay को मैं बोल सकता हूँ कि like stream पे मैं खत्म कर रहा हूँ unless मैं कोई नया feature एकदम बनाऊंगा जो like I think it's worth showing on stream. So I'm so proud of you. Thank you, Shashwat. That's honestly, I'm going to get that. This is why I do what I do. For Shashwat to be proud of me. Because I write C. I have seen everything in life. तो बट ऑनेस्टली मेरे को काफी मजा आया. आई थिंक जिग की जगह मैं सी में चीजें कर सकता हूँ. आई थिंक लाइक लेट्स सी. आई थिंक अगर मेरे को जिग देखने में ज्यादा अच्छा लगा है तो आई जस्ट गो विद जिग. बट यू नो आई डिड हैव फन सी में लिखते हुए. तो you know, you never know. Zig, C, I think probably it's not. I don't know. Let's see. I wouldn't mind coming back to C at all. So, but anyway, अब I think आगे की stream के लिए मैं I'm just thinking कि like this हफ्ते का stream is done. Next हफ्ते का I have to think कि क्या करना है. So relay I think is done. मैं उसको use कर रहा हूँ, मैं उसको चला रहा हूँ. One step in getting Shobit to write a kernel in stream. Dude, I don't think a kernel कितना मुश्किल है कर्नल. What is a simple kernel to start with? एक सिंपल कर्नल बता जिसके साथ स्टार्ट कर सकते हैं. blah 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 blah. Writing a basic kernel. I know that everything is a file and folder in Linux, by the way. Basic kernel, video memory. Video memory? Oh, that's it? Itna hi hai? Hey, not bad. As this kernel just displays a string and halts, we need a string to display. We'll be printing to the video memory. Writing your own kernel which can print is actually pretty simple. So basically the reason. Oh, is that not cat? So basically the reason कि ये टर्मिनल में प्रिंट कर पा रहा है उसका जो इंटरनल एक्चुअल OS लेवल पे फंक्शन कॉल कर रहा है, दैट्स द कर्नल मेमोरी एड्रेस पे राइट करता है वैल्यूज, मेमोरी मैप्ड इनपुट आउटपुट. ओह ओके, इंटरेस्टिंग, वेरी इंटरेस्टिंग. Damn. Okay, one day maybe I'll put it on the list because here's the plan, right? Next few months, next 6 months at least, this is my plan. I think I'm going to build out Pipecast both on stream and off stream. A split keyboard, I'm going to do it off stream, but I'll keep posting updates on it. I'll probably make a video on it also. I think I should make more videos, by the way. After that, it's just exploration. No more new projects in the sense of this is something that people can use. Now it's just going to be learning. We're going to make a lot of projects, database, runtime, toy versions enough so that we can understand stuff. So I have to HTTP parsing, making HTTP from scratch, like HTTP 1.1. I don't think it's that hard. So we're going to do a lot of these things. We're going to implement research papers in all languages. So TypeScript, Golang, and then we're also going to pick up Zig, a bit of Zig. That's the plan for my next 6 months. I'm just going to learn stuff. So I also want to make an LSP. I want to make my own DSL. So that's going to be like learning. And then I have some projects like internal tools, I think, which will benefit to my team at work. So that's going to be separate. Like that I can't show on stream, obviously. But the two ideas correlate with each other. So like if I'm learning something from here, I can use it here. If I'm learning something from here, I can use it here. So that's the plan for next 6 months, or even a year, who knows. But like no more new projects where I'm like, oh, this like people can use this type, unless like it's very very good. But anyway, tab ka tab dekhenge. Right now, like next 6 months is just learning. Real one with graphics and all is very different. All right, that is very interesting. We'll find it out. In fact, graphics, right? I think shaders is something good, like interesting we can explore. So, anyway, I think it was a fun stream. Thank you so much, Shashwat, by the way. Like, I'm sorry if I wrote bad C, but I've not written it for years. So, anyway, thank you for guiding me. Thank you for correcting me. Yeah, all the best with your work. So I should also go sleep. काम करता हूँ थोड़ा. Done. Even I'll like just chill thoda and maybe go through Fast Docs. I'll make chai probably right now. So anyway, thank you for joining. Thank you for correcting me. I love you, Shashwat. I let the world know that I love you. So with that, I shall end my stream. I will see you on Thursday. So bye bye. Have a good day, a good night, whatever.